This video is about Latin words and expressions that are commonly used in the English language. English has borrowed many words and expressions from the Latin language over time. Let's review and learn some of the most common Latin words and expressions used in English today. Are you ready to begin? Number 1 is carpe diem, which means to seize the day. Don't wait or hope. Carpe diem. Next, we have cogito ergo sum, which translates to I think, therefore I am, a famous quote by Descartes. Etc., often abbreviated as etc., is used when listing things like bananas, oranges, apples, peaches, etc. Ad hoc means for a specific purpose, often something improvised or not planned. For example, they gave an ad hoc performance. Pro bono means for free, or without charge. For instance, our lawyer did the work pro bono. Mea culpa is a formal acknowledgement of one's fault or guilt, meaning my fault or I am guilty. Mea culpa, sorry. De facto means in fact, whether by right or not. For example, women are de facto the head of the household, and smarter. Ipso facto means by the fact itself. For example, you did it, ipso facto, that's why. I will kill you. Status quo refers to the existing state of affairs. To keep the status quo means to keep things the same and not change anything. Terra incognita means an unknown or unexplored territory. For example, she is going somewhere she doesn't know, into terra incognita. Finally, circa means approximately or around a certain date. Nirvana played here circa 1988, which means around 1988. Vox populi means the voice of the people. The vox populi will never be defeated. Carpe diem again. You will soon be old and die forgotten, so seize the day. Errare humanum est translates to err is human. We all make mistakes and aren't perfect. Vice versa means the other way around. Not that way, the other way around. Vice versa. Caveat emptor means buyer beware. You might get a TV that doesn't work. Veni, vidi, vici means I came, I saw, I conquered. Yes, he did. Non sequitur refers to an invalid argument or a strange conclusion. Politicians are full of non sequiturs. So there you have it. So many Latin expressions are used in English. Thank you for watching this video. Let us know what Latin expressions we missed.